Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your address on your Aramex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your address on Aramex, firstly go ahead and launch open your Aramex application. The home page of Aramex application will appear on the screen. Click on My Account option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Addresses. Click on Add a new address option. Select your address and tap on Confirm. From the pop-up, enter your address details including your street name, zip code, floor, flat and other details, then tap on Save. This is how you can change your address on Aramex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.